Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Fu from Fountain Education. Today, let's talk about a question about the formula of factors number. First, let's see the question. Given a three-digit composite number A, which has factors in prime numbers, teacher writes the three digits which form A and the number of A's factors on 4 cards, then distribute them randomly to 4 smart and honest students, Jia, Yi, Bing, and Jing. Each student could only see their own card. The teacher asks, "Does anyone know what A is?" Jia and Yi says at the same time, "I know." So A is what? Okay, the question seems very difficult because we have got too little information, but we can see there's still very important conditions here. First, A is a three-digit composite number, and A has factors in prime numbers. Second, the three digits number and the number of A's factors are given to 4 students. 2 of the 4 students know the value of A. Here we can see in the first condition, it talks about factors. Okay, let's think about how to calculate factors number. Okay, there is a formula. Here, if a number A is resolved into x to the power of A times y to the power of B, then factors number is equal to A and 1 times B and 1. Okay, let's make a check. Here, 24. Oh, it can be resolved into the cube of 2 times 3 to the power of 1. And its factor numbers should be 3 and 1 times 1 and 1. It's 8. Let's check it. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's right. What about 30? Here we can see 30 can be resolved into 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 1. And its factor numbers should be 1 and 1 times 1 and 1 times 1 and 1. Okay, it's 8. Here, oh, it's right. And what about 8? We can say 8 can be resolved into the cube of 2. So, the factor numbers should be 3 and 1. So, it's 4. Okay? Here we can see A has factors in prime numbers. Oh, we know that A can't be a number like 24 or 30 because their factor numbers are a product of 2 kinds of factors. But A has factors in prime numbers. We know that product is always a composite numbers. So A can't be a number like 24 or 30. It should be a number like 8, which has only one kind of factors. So we can make A like this. Okay? X to the power of K. And its factor numbers should be K and 1. It has factors in prime numbers. So K and 1 can be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So what about K and 1 is equal to 2? It means that K is 1. So we can see here, X is A, oh sorry, it's a mistake. A is equal to X to the power of 1. We can see here, A is a composite number, but X must be a prime number. It has just contradicted itself. So we can see 2 is not okay. We can see here, A is a 3-digit number. So it means that K can't be very large. What about 11? Here we can see the smallest prime number 2 is to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. It's a 4-digit numbers. Okay? It doesn't conform to the question. So we can see K can't be 10. We can see here A should be x to the power of 2 4, and 6. Here, in the first case, a is x to the power of 2. Let's use a number to check it. What about 7? The square of 7 is 49. It's a 2-digit number. It's not okay. What about 11? Oh, it's a 3-digit number. It's okay. And so are 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and even 31. But 37 is not okay, since it's a 4-digit numbers. Okay, here it's not okay. We can see here when a is x to the power of 2, the value of a can be like this. Okay, in the second case, we can see a is x to the power of 4. Let's use a number to check it. Here we can see 3 to the power of 4 is 81. It's a 2-digit numbers. It doesn't conform to the question, so let's eliminate it. What about 5? Oh, it's okay. What about 7? We can see it's a 4-digit numbers. It's not okay. Here we can see when a is x to the power of 4, the value of a should be 625. In the third case, we can see a is x to the power of 6. Let's use a number to check it. Okay, 2 to the power of 6 is 64. It's a 2-digit numbers. It's not okay. Here we can see 3 to the power of 6 is 729. It's okay. So what about 5? We can see, oh, it's a 5-digit numbers. It's not okay, obviously. So let's collect all the values of a and make a table like this. Here we can see it's a table of the value of a and its factors numbers. Oh, it's the first condition tell us. What about the second? It says the 3 digits number and the number of a's factors are given to 4 students. 2 of them know what a is. Okay, it says that a student gets a number and immediately he knows the value of a. Oh, we can see here, if the student gets 1, can he do it? Of course not. We can see here there are too many numbers containing 1. So we can see 1 is not okay. What about 2? Here we can see, oh, there are too many numbers containing 2. What about 3? Here? Obviously not. What about 4? We can see here, if a student gets 4, he can immediately know that the value of a is 841. What about 5? Oh, we can see here, oh, it's not okay because there are 2 numbers contains 5. What about 6? Okay, we can see here 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not okay. What about 7? Here we can see no matter the 7 is the digit number or the factor numbers, if a student gets 7, it will immediately know that the value of a is 729. Okay, we can keep it. What about 8? We can see here 1, 2. Oh, it's not okay. What about 9? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, obviously not. So we can see here a must be one of the 2 cases. Here we can see here, if a student gets 4, it can make sure that the value of a is 841. What about other students? Because there are 2 students know the value of a. Other students, when he gets 1, 3, or 8. Okay, it can't do that. So we can see here, the value of a can't be 841. So the final result should be 729. Okay, the question is solved. And here, let's make a summary. It's about the formula of factors number. If a number a can be resolved into x to the power of a times y to the power of b, the factors number is equal to a and 1 times b and 1. Okay, class is over. Thank you very much.